constipation in their body, which in turn can lead to very complex problems. What are the points that can be done for constipation? Number of points are shown over here. The best and the most effective point what we have found is the point on the chin. The point on the chin is the most effective point which can be done for curing constipation. Please be careful to do the memory point first and then do the constipation point, because if you get confused, God help you, if you want to remember something and if you start pressing this point, you'll have to start using the washroom. So use the memory point first and then do the constipation point. We find a lot of cases of chikungunya. And the most effective thing for chikungunya, although the pressure points can be done for the respective joint pains as we have seen, but red pumpkin juice helps in reducing the stomach heat, and that can also help in reducing the pain caused by the chikungunya. Maybe after next 3 months, when I'm going to make a presentation, if at all, to the next group, in home remedies, what I mentioned over here, red pumpkin juice, there will be another section which will be there, health juice, which will be noni juice, which I can add. No? As of now, because my knowledge is not there as to what are the different type of juices which can be used for curing various problems, I'm not able to introduce that. But certainly, over the next few days, I'm going to educate myself and include that, and I wish to carry that message to wherever I travel, at least to 27 countries. No? In the words of Louis Hay, the probable cause of constipation: refusing to release old ideas, remain stuck in the past, and sometimes stinginess. These are the signals from the mind which can cause constipation. Try to release the old. Start living in the present and be liberal. This is again a well-being quote. Be like a squirrel. Don't do everything with an expectation. It is estimated that millions of trees in the world are accidentally planted by squirrels who bury nuts and then forget where they hide them. Do good and never expect a return. Return follows you. What is the difference between a man and a God? God gives and forgets. Man gets and forgets. Okay. One of the common problems what we come across is a knee joint problem. As we have seen, knee joint problem is often caused due to lack of water. Knee is directly connected with the kidney in our acupressure things. And the pressure points to be activated are the middle finger and the ring finger points, which are there. Anybody suffering from knee joint problem? I can request 2 or 3 people to come up and I'll show how it can be treated effectively over here. It does not take time. As we have seen, we are going to activate only these 2 finger points. Although there are a number of points which we are going to see, I'll put that slide also so that people can see what are the number of points that can be done. See, the number of pressure points for the knee joint are far many, but what we are going to activate from the hand is from here. is how to activate the support, pressing the point, and we press the point, each point 8 times. The treatment for acupressure has also got a dosage, and the dosage is that we activate each point 8 times, 3 times a day, which means 8 into 3, 24 times for 24 hours.
4 hours.
Yes. Sir, how much water do you drink?
Pain come.
Yes, pain is here. Yeah, because this is connected to the knee. Yeah, that is why when I'm pressing the points, you get the pain. And for relieving the pain has to be there. No pain, no gain. Likewise, we do it over here. I'm not going to touch your knee at all. I'm going to activate only from the hands. See how painful it is. Since how many years you are having this knee joint problem? Since how many years you are having the knee joint problem? Okay, now I've just done this treatment. I would just like you to take a walk and see how you feel. Do you feel little better than earlier? Just take a walk. Is walking faster? Feeling better? Thank you.
I fast walking.
You can speak in Tamil also, no problem, and inform how you feel.
Buttons, I am Telugu.
Okay.
వేల్ స్ట్రెచ్ చేసిన తర్వాత నాకు వాకింగ్ స్పీడ్గా అవుతుంది. కీళ్ళ నొప్పి కొద్దిగా తగ్గినట్టు అనిపిస్తుంది. ఇది ఎక్కువసార్లు చేస్తే నాకు మెరుగు అనిపిస్తుందని అనుకుంటున్నాను.
Thank you. You have to continue doing this.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You are having the knee joint problem. Okay. Knee joint problem is one of the easiest thing that can be cured, and we have got more than 800 to 900 cases where people had been advised for knee replacement surgery, and we asked them to come for the treatment for a month, and within a month they have been able to live a normal walking style and sitting and getting up in a normal way, and for them in about 90% cases we could avoid the surgeries, no? When I'm pressing it, do you feel the pain? And since how many years you have the problem?
7 years. Yeah.
Okay. Just take a small walk and see whether you feel any change.
Yeah, I'm feeling better. Thank you.
What I'm trying to say is that any of the pressure points which we work, the actual effect will be felt within 20 minutes. The reason is that one circulation of blood cycle in our body is 20 minutes. And immediately the effect starts working when we do these pressure points. And this holds good not only for the knee joint problem, but for the various problems that can be there. Because we are running for the short of time, we will cover up. This we already discussed about how much of water is required.